Welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video, we are going to discuss quant questions which were asked in RBI Grade B Phase 1 exam yesterday in shift 2, evening shift. So, am I audible? Am I audible? Please comment if I am audible. So, about cutoff, yesterday we have mentioned this screen we have already shared this PPT. We have already shared on our Telegram channel that cutoff may be in this range 62 plus minus 5 based on the various reasons. Reasoning was the toughest part in this paper, and GA we cannot say it was easy. Actually, there were many questions which were fact based, data based, and in depth they have asked. So student cannot score too much in GA part. Also, the quant was little bit tougher side. Question were lengthy, means questions were doable, but quant questions were lengthy. So we'll discuss the quant question today. So based on this, we have predict this cutoff. It may vary because we have analyzed this phase one paper based on the feedback from few students, and also we have analyzed the questions of this year and previous year. We have compared the paper was difficult as compared to previous year. Only the GA section as compared to last year, it was easier side as compared to last year. So first question was this: if marked price is above 50% of the cost price of two similar products A and B, A was sold at discount of rupees 268, B was sold at 20% discount. So which of the following is true? The question was simple. Statement was simple. Only these three statements were given. So most of the students, after seeing this, they get panicked and did not attempt this question. This question was very simple. If you know the concept, if you have some basic concept of quant, the question was not difficult. So anyone who solved this question? There may be some variation in the statement because we don't have exact question. Yes, one more option that one was cannot be determined. So simple that 50% of the cost price of two similar products A and B. Suppose let's consider that cost price of A, we can consider 1000. Similarly, B 1000. Cost price of A, cost price of B 1000. Then 75% cost price of two similar products. Mark price will be, then mark price of A and B, what will be the mark price of both? 1750. If 1000 rupees we have considered the cost price of A, 1000 rupees we have considered the cost price of B, because these are two identical products, similar products, and mark price was 70% of the cost price, above the cost price, 70% above the cost price. So mark price is 1750. So if A was sold at discount of 268, so selling price of A, what will the selling price of A? It will be 1750 minus K 268, because discount was 268, and selling price of B 1750 minus K 25%, sorry 20%, What will be the 20%? 350. So from here you can calculate the selling price of A. It will be around 1 minute. 1750 minus 268 for easier calculation. And this is the selling price of A 1482, and this is selling price of B 1400. So profit, how we calculate the profit? Simple question. Selling price minus K cost price. Cost price was 1000. So profit on A, profit on profit of for the product A will be 148 minus K 1000, 482, and profit of B will be 400. You can do it, can be done quickly. Actually, I'm doing this step by step, but it can do quickly. So profit of first statement, profit of B is greater than A. Wrong statement. Discount of A and B. Discount of A greater than B. It is 268. It is 350. So this statement is also wrong. Profit of A equal to B. This is also wrong. So all these statements are not true. So accordingly it can be answered. And again I'm telling that statement may be different. The question may be different. Yeah, Anukul Srivastava. Yes, I'm not. Actually, I don't have the exact question. Yeah, this statement may be different. What we have got from the student, this statement may be different. So that's why its answer. If it is not given that two similar product, then it cannot be solved. If it is not written here, na, similar products, then it cannot be determined, because without cost price we cannot solve, cannot determine. If this statement is, this word is not there in the statement. So answer, the statement can vary. Sorry. Next question was this: ax square minus k 9x plus 7 equal to 0, by square minus k 8y plus 4 equal to 0. One root of equation 2 is 2 by 3. The ratio of highest root of equation 1 and equation 2 was 7 by 4. The ratio of smallest root of equation 1 and 2. One minute. Screen visibility I have to set. One minute. I want to set the screen resolution because it is causing problem. So let's solve this question. ax square minus k 9x plus 7 equal to 0, by square minus k 8y plus 4. So these were two equations, ax square minus k 9x plus 7 equal to 0 and by square minus k 8y plus 4 equal to 0. This is x. These two equations were given, and yeah, we will do revision series. We will start. One root of the equation 2, first equation was this, equation 2 was this. So one root of the equation 2 is 2 by 3. One root is 2 by 3. Suppose y1 and y2, two roots of this equation. So you know that what is multiplication of root? Y1 into y2. Y1 and y2 we have considered two roots of this equation. Y1 into y2. Y1 into y2, product of root c by a. What is the value of c in this equation? 4. And value of a, b. One root is 2 by 3. Four by b. And sum of roots here we can calculate y1 plus y2 minus k, b by a is the formula, minus k b equal to 8, a is b from here. And this equation, using this equation, ratio of highest root of equation 1 and 2, if we will use this, we can easily solve this question. We will do quickly. We will tell the procedure how to solve this question only, because otherwise it will take too much time. And finally you will get the value 2 and 3. And then you have to calculate a plus b. You have to simply calculate value a plus b. A plus b value you can calculate from there, and then you will put a plus b value in this equation. Then you can calculate from here. This was a lengthy question, little lengthy question, but you can easily solve 3 questions based on that. You have to use the basic concept only. Next was, if rupees p is invested for t years at 20% interest compounded annually, interest earned is 10560. The difference of principal and interest is 56% of principal. Find t plus 3 square. So simply p plus I, principal plus interest. What is the formula? Means whatever you will get after the compound interest formula, that will be principal plus interest. So 1 plus r, rate of interest, t. This will be the equation. This is the principal plus interest equal to p into 1 plus 20 by 100 ki power t. T is not given, we have to calculate. Then interest and is I is given, interest and is 10560. The difference of principal and interest is 56%. Means principal and interest. What is this? 56% of, sorry, 56% of P. 1 minute. I'm not much familiar. 56% of, so this is 56% of P. The difference between P minus KI, this is 56% of P. Ayush Kumar, which question you are talking about? So P minus KI equal to 0.56 P. So from here, because 56% of P, 0.44 P equal to I is given 10560. So P value we can calculate, and we will solve share the solution in our Telegram channel also for all these questions after this session. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. From here you can get the P. P will be, I think it will be, let me calculate first. From here you will get the principal 24,000. You will put in this equation. From here you will get 24,000 plus this 34560 equal to P is 24,000. So 1 plus 1 by 5 की power t. So from here 34560 24,000 equal to 6 by 5 6 by 5 की power t. So from here you will get 1.44. From here you will get 1.2 t. So you will get the value that will be, anyone who solved this question in paper? Yes, it will be 2, because 1.2 power 2 will be 1.44. So simple question it was, very simple question. Next question. Tell me the answer of this question. Who has attempted this question in the paper? Anyone who solved this question? I'm waiting for the answer if anyone attempted this question. Let's start. A contains 40 liter of milk, A container. B contains 70 liter, 8 liter of milk and water. Milk and water ratio was given 10 ratio. Three, it was given 10 ratio 3. So from here you will get the milk and water quantity in B tank container. Milk will be 60 liter and water will be 8 liter. You can calculate 10 ratio 3, total 13. 10 by 13 into 78. How we will calculate? 10 by 13 into 78. 3 by 13 into 78. 3, 6, 8 and 60. So 18 liter and 60 liter. So C have only 6 liter of water. 6 liter of water. So A and B is poured into C. A and B was poured into C. So total water will be 18 plus 6, 24 liter. Water will be, when A and B will be poured in this 6 and 18, 24 liter be water, and milk will be 40 and 60, so 100 liter. So percentage was asked, so from here we can calculate. Yes, from here we can calculate percentage, because total mixture, total quantity is 124 liter, out of which 24 liter is water. So percentage we can calculate by this formula. Approximate 20%, it will be approximate 20%. Anyone who has attempted this question? I think it was percentage water was asked in the container. Next question. A invested 2000 more than B. After 8 months, A left profit, and at the end of year was 6800. A's profit was 400F. Yes, approx 20%. So there were some confusion in this statement also. It is in multiplication or it is at the last digit. It is the last digit of this. So it may be the last digit here, or it may be in the multiplication. So let's start. First we will calculate the value of 7f square equal to, this is 424 plus me, this will be 24, 576, square root of 576, 448. So 7f square equal to 448, 7f will be, sorry, F square will be F will be 8, so it may be 4008 or 3200. Both cases are there. It may be 3200 or 4008. If it is at last digit, if F is considered as last digit, then it will be 4008 and 3200 if it is the in multiplication. So you can solve accordingly. You will get the profit of two equation will be there. Suppose B invested X amount, so A's investment will be 2000 plus X. So total investment will be 2000 plus X into 8, because 8 at after 8 months 8 left, A left. For B it will be 12. So this will be the total, the ratio of their earnings. So accordingly, this profit you will get from here. Sorry, profit was total profit 6800. So if you will use this equation, you will get 3600 for this was for A, this was for B, and from this, if we consider F at the last digit, then F we will put here. From here you will get something different, and from this, using this equation you can solve. Anyone who solved this question? you you will solve this question, because it is easy. Because how we calculate the profit, we calculate the profit. Anyone who has solved, tell the answer of this question. Anyone who has solved how we calculate the profit in the partnership cases? Total investment. Suppose if we have to calculate the B's profit, then we will use this will be the B profit 12x by total ratio in the profit, whatever what ratio you will get in the profit. So accordingly we will put this equal to B's profit, and we can calculate. Next question. This number series was given and one number was wrong. Consider it as x, and you have to tell the following. 20% of x is fifth element. X plus 4 is a prime number. X is divisible by 15. And second question was LCM of x minus k 425. It was very easy question. It was an easy question. Anyone who solved this question? Which number series is wrong? I'm waiting for your comments. Anyone? It was a easy question. Yes, this was wrong, because 2 into 1 plus 1, 3 into 2 plus 1, 7 into 3 plus 1, 12, 20. What is the series? So here will be 446. I am not a quant teacher, but still I am trying to teach you. 446. Yes, here it will come 446. So this was wrong. So x we have considered this 440. 20% of x is fifth element. So 440, 20% of 445. What will be? This will be 89. X plus 4 is a prime number. 449 total. 449. This is also true. Fifth element is 89. 449 is x is divisible by 15. This is not correct because it is not divisible by 15. So these two statements were true. It was a simple question. It was a simple question. LCM of x minus k 400. This will be 45 and 25. What will be the LCM of 45 and 25? 225. So actually in last year quant also reasoning section also, then question selection played a great role in your selection for phase 2. Question selection, those who selected question carefully, those questions which can be attempted easily, like this question, two question you can easily solve, and that quadratic equation question, this was also simple question, very simple question it was. 13,000 you have invested, so profit plus interest will be, sorry, principal plus interest equal to 13,000. 1 plus interest rate is 10 by, this is formula, and invested for 2 years and again invested for 2 years. So from here you can calculate interest only by calculating this equation, that interest you have put again in this equation, and from there you can calculate further interest. That is also an easy question. It is only the calculation you have to this using this formula, compound interest formula. Most of the students you know. Yes. Next question was this. This was based on the number series. So anyone who solved this question, value of P and Q. Tell me the value of P and Q. Number series question. Two questions were based on this number series, and actually the you can easily clear the cutoff if you have selected the question carefully, because there were many questions which were easy. You can easily solve. Yes, because this is 4.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 and 4.5. क्वांट में सिर्फ 4 ही हुए हैं. I'm audible now. Am I audible now? Okay. So for this P, we have calculated 3 in the number series, and Q was 200. So P and R are positive integer. So R is R range of R was given. R range was given 14, R 18. 14, R 18. So R values, R is either 15, 16, 17. So any three values for R, and P is 3. P is 3. So if we consider 15, 3, 18, 16 plus 3, 19. If we take value of R as 17, 3, 20. So all the three options are correct. Yes, all the three options are correct. Both these three options can be the possible value of P plus R. The question was simple. Just you have to use the mind and you have to read what is written. Only the simple question. I mean, I'm not the expert of quant, then I can easily solve this question. Composite number था क्वेश्चन में given, so we don't have exact statement, so accordingly this can solve easily. Next question, q minus k2 divided by p into 5. Q is q was 200 minus k2 98 divided by p. First we will do this, then we will multiply by 5. Okay, I don't have an exact statement, but accordingly, yes, if it is composite number, then answer will be different. So next question can be solved using this. It was also easy question. So when this di was given like this, we don't have the question, but yes, I'm reading comments. Yes, I'm reading comments. You can comment what you want to ask. DI, it was an easy DI. Simply total salary was given, basic salary plus DA. DA is given like this, and DA is 30% of basic salary. It was mentioned. Incentive on sale of one TV was 15% of basic pay, and refrigerator 20% of the basic pay. And this incentive was total incentive. Suppose someone has sold 5 TV, so 5 TVs incentive plus में two refrigerators, suppose two refrigerators were sold by him, so two refrigerators incentive plus 5 TVs incentive, then total incentive was like this. Question was asked based on this, so you can calculate P value. Dearness allowance is 30% of the basic salary, so total salary is P. So basic salary of A will be based on this 14,000, because 30% of basic pay is the DA, so 30% is this one, So 14,000 plus 4200, because this is total salary. In next, this can we can calculate only based on the input of the question, what were there in the question. Similarly, for here Q, this was 15,000 will be basic salary plus 4500. This will be total salary. The value of the Q accordingly, from here P, value of P you can put 18,200 minus K 6,200, you will get 12,000 total incentive for this. And for this, P plus Q by 2 means total P plus Q by 2. P plus Q is 18,200 plus 19,500. This will be divide by 2 and then subtract 850 from this. And based on this 4 question you can easily solve. Whatever other statement, based on that you can calculate. Yeah, this was not difficult question, and other questions we don't have, but overall the question were easy. And solution, detailed solution of all these questions we will share in a PDF in our Telegram channel in 1 or 2 days. And future aspirants who are going to appear in next RBI, so they can prepare the level of the questions accordingly. And reasoning question also discuss in other video, or we will share the solution in the Telegram channel. And tomorrow we will come up, tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will come up with the next 25 days strategy for phase 2, how to cover the important topics of ESI, finance and management in less time, which topic you have to focus. And all those students, solution we have to make, actually we don't have the PDF. Okay, I will send that, those PDFs I will send it. Inalamba, I will send those PDF, you will get soon. For answer writing, we will start the session maybe day after tomorrow. Yes, for answer writing, we will start the session. Anyone who has the question, other question, if memory based question you have, you can share with us. You can drop email to us of any reasoning or quant you have. So it will help future aspirants. So these were the questions we have, whatever we have shared here. So thank you, and keep preparing if you are confident that you will be able to qualify the cutoff. Actually, the questions, if you will see these questions were not difficult, little bit lengthy. 1 or 2 questions were difficult, but you can easily score the sectional cutoff. And if you are getting 60 plus, then you can start preparation. You can start preparation for phase 2. And if you have any doubt, our subscriber, those who have any doubt in preparation, any guidance or anything you need, we will come up with a new session on YouTube day after tomorrow, how to prepare, and we will help. If you have any doubt, you can drop email or contact us, those who are our subscribers. And don't delay, and those who are confident that they will get 60 plus marks, 60 plus marks in phase 1, and in sectional of reasoning and quant, at least 10 marks in reasoning, and in quant at least 4-5 marks if you are getting, then you can start preparation. And overall, if you are getting 60, you should start preparation without any delay, because result will take time, 4-5 days. By Friday we can expect the result. And thank you and happy learning.